Hi my lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our lovely space. So before I went on my 5 weeks unplanned break, I had some backlog, and that's what you're going to see in today's content. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and play you the content because I'm about to fix my nails. I just took out a set and I'm about to fix this one, this polka dot one. It's really nice, really lovely. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. But if you want to stick around for the installation of this set, you're going to have to see it at the end of the video, or towards the end of the video, because I have a couple of brands to review, some of the brands that have been very patient with me all through this waiting period. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna roll the tape and I will see you guys in the course of the vlog. Have you just moved to the UK and need car insurance? Here's how you can save. Because let's be real, the insurance struggle here is the ultimate newcomer boss. Most companies just look at your years of international driving experience and act like you've never seen a car. Sometimes they could be like, oh, you drove for so and so years abroad. Oh, sorry, we don't know her. Does that sound familiar? And that's why I recommend Marshmallow. Personally, as a newcomer back in 2021, I reached out to Marshmallow and they were actually very considerate of my years of international driving experience, which you will agree with me is a total game changer when it comes to saving money. It's fair, it's simple, and you could potentially save up to £392 depending on your situation. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in my bio, check them out for yourself, and use my code MM_Tola50 to get £50 off your policy. You can't say I've not done anything for you this year. Check them out for yourself and stop overpaying. Hi my loves, and welcome to yet another vlog. This is the start of a brand new vlog. My name is Tola. I'm not going to forget today. My name is Tola, and welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're a returning OG, you're welcome. You're welcome to the channel. Alright, so it was Sunday, and like last week, I did not feel like creating any content. I hardly even took any pictures. I just merged something together and posted it on Instagram. Hi lovelies, and welcome to the segment of the video. The segment is proudly sponsored by Bags Aha. They have sent me yet another package. They are no stranger to us here on the channel. They have sent us a couple of products in the past, like this gold Fendi purse that I love so much. So today they have sent me this package that I cannot wait to unpack. The link to this product will be listed in the description box below, so please check it out, and you can also benefit from amazing discounts when you use my discount code as displayed on your screen. Bags Aha is a luxury brand and they're based in China. So when you patronize them, you obviously get your receipt and as well as your certificate of authenticity. That way you are able to get to see the value of the product, and also this is valuable when you intend to resell. It just helps whoever is buying from you know that their product is authentic. This item comes in its own dust bag. It's branded as well, and this is the bag that I have chosen. This bag is such a mature bag and I absolutely love it. This is the Caviar bag, YSL Caviar bag. I absolutely love it. It's like a bucket bag. It takes a lot of stuff. The material is suede, and I got this in with the gold hardware. I think this comes in silver hardware as well, but I absolutely love this in gold. The bag also comes with a purse inside. The purse is also crested with the YSL logo right there, and this is what it's looking like. It's really lovely. Deep pockets as well. This is a work bag. This can be an everyday bag. This can be a overnight bag as well if you're looking to spend the night somewhere or just pack light on a short trip. So yeah, really love it. I can't wait to rock this. I think I might be taking this out very soon, so you guys watch out for this bag. Absolutely love it. You can extend the arm as well just slightly. This is a shoulder bag after all. So the link to this product will be in the description box. Like I said, you guys can benefit from the amazing discount that comes with my discount code as well as my subscribers, of course. Thank you again to Bags Aha for sponsoring this segment of the video. It's always a pleasure working with you guys. Customer service top notch, communication. They also send you QC pictures when your products are ready. So yeah, check them out for bags, shoes, jewelries. There's a lot on there. Anyway, you guys, I will catch up with you in the course of the vlog. So we've had dinner. We had Eba and Ogbono soup, and it was delicious. I had it with alaron. I haven't had alaron in months, and it was a really refreshing dinner. Anyway, after church, I just quickly changed to my in-house clothes. This is my fit for the day. Just this leggings that my husband bought for me back in Darlington. This top is from Shein. It's supposed to go like this, but I'm really not comfortable like this. So I've also washed my makeup brushes because I noticed that I had one or two rubbish on my face. I can't find them now, but I had one or two breakouts, so I knew it was time. Besides, I think it's about 2 weeks now since I washed my brushes, and they're over there drying. They're going to take about 3 days. 3 days to dry. They're still very, very wet. Very wet. If you are rethinking your entire gym membership, but you still want your summer body, you are not alone. I finally got my hands on this Yesoul G1M Smart Bike, and let's just unbox this beauty together. First off, the packaging is solid and everything comes neatly arranged and well protected. You can almost immediately tell that this is not one of those flimsy at-home bikes. Anyway, the quality looks really sturdy and the finish is quite sleek, and I just love how minimal and modern it looks. It doesn't scream bulky, gym equipment. It actually just blends right into my space. The assembly was surprisingly straightforward, and it came with clear instructions, and all the tools I needed to set this up was well included, and in no time this was standing pretty in my workout corner. This connects easily to the Yesoul app, and I'm able to track my performance, and it gives me access to guided classes, which I desperately need. The resistance is smooth. I'm able to adjust and actually challenge myself. Now, if you are someone who wants convenience, structure, and an aesthetic vibe at home, this might just be your sign. The link to this bike will be included in my bio, so please check it out and get yourself one. So I left out a couple of things in my makeup routine this morning because I was rushing to church, and my goal this year is not to annoy my husband every Sunday morning. So I left out a couple of things, like I didn't use any highlighter on my face. This highlighter, that's the one I always use. Those who have joined my TikTok live, you guys will probably know this product. This is what it looks like inside, and it's very pigmented, so you have to go easy on it when you use it. I also didn't use any lip gloss. These are the two lip gloss that I use, and they're both from Shiglam. All these things are from one collaboration that I did a couple of months ago. This is back in the old house. Anyway, I forgot to put lip gloss. I forgot to put my highlighter. What else did I forget? Yeah, and I think I put on too much blush, and I forgot to put on powder. This is my blush, by the way. This is my blush. This is the cream blush that I use, and this is what it looks like on the outside. So I put too much, and I forgot to put powder on, so you can see that my makeup is starting to separate. But don't worry, I'm going to take all of this off right now because I don't have any energy to create any kind of content at all. Yeah, so I got a travel set of this Telia range. So it comes with the light cleaning oil, it comes with the toner, you also get like the ampoule liquid on there. This has a dropper that you can use. You also have the face wash. So these are all like the travel sizes, but I recently found bigger sizes. So this is the 100 ml of the cleaning oil, and you guys, this thing gets rid of, even when I say eyelash glue, that's the most difficult thing for me to get rid of. So yeah, to wash my makeup brush, I used this silicone pad that I showed you guys last week or a couple of weeks ago. I'm not sure when this video is going live because I'm starting to build a backlog now. So yeah, this is the one I usually use before. You can see it's starting to, I've tried everything I can. The only thing I haven't tried is bleach. I'm trying to restore this back to its original color. Anyway, I'm about to take off my lashes and give my skin a proper wash. I so much love this lash case. I got this in a recent collaboration with Shein Beauty. I usually leave the link to things like this in the description box just in case you find anything, or you can do what other people do, just ask and I will gladly supply a link. Oh man, that Eba is still singing in my tummy. Like, I need to call almost space because she's the one that gave me that Ogbono. God bless you, sis. My heart blesses you. That's it. This chocolate has seen where for my hands. Alright, so as promised, let us install these nails together. We're starting with really rough and jagged nails. I try not to cut my nails too close to the flesh because my nails break so easily. I'm using this set of manicure tools that I got from Shein a while ago. I will link it in the description box below. I'm using this tool to first go and just smoothen out my rough nails because I just said I took out a set before, and then once all of that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and buff my nails just to make sure that everything is level, and then I'll brush away all of the shavings. Once I have this clear canvas, I'm just going to go ahead and push my cuticles back, and what this does is just helps the nails sit properly and just lay flat. And then I'm going to cut away all of my excess cuticle. This takes me a hot second, so I have to just fast forward that. And then once all of my cuticles are cut down, I'm going to go ahead and use 2 adhesives to secure my nails, and this gives me at least 2 weeks with each nail set. So I first go ahead with a super glue and then a dollop of this UV gel, and then I put it under the dryer for about 30 seconds, and that's what I get. Alright, you guys, so that is everything for this vlog today. Thank you so much for sticking with me and for watching up until now. This vlog is all over the place, but please just bear with me. I have one more video, I think, to catch up with my backlog, and then we are back to current day content. Anyway, guys, I will see you in my next one. Remember to like, share, and hype this video. It does a lot to help my analytics here and let YouTube know that what we're doing is relevant. Alright, I will see you in the next one. Bye. All my nails turned out turned out really perfect. I absolutely love this polka dot. It also comes in black as well. I might not be fixing it because I don't think I like the black, but this white one just I'll see you guys later.